If you're a quilter, you know that the perfect 1/4 inch seam allowance is exactly what you need in order for all of your pieces to fit together and then end up being the right size piece to then be pieced together with a bunch of other pieces. And when you finally get pretty good at that 1/4 inch seam allowance, then you may want to sew a curved piece. Sewing curved pieces can be really challenging to the brain. Well, with the Satinedge Foot that I invented for a blind sewer when I was 19, it is the best foot for sewing perfect 1/4 inch seam allowances, whether or not the fabric is straight or curved. The first thing you want to do is select a left needle position. You're going to take and place that needle so that it hovers right over one of the lines on the measuring tape. But you're going to do that with the measuring tape beneath the presser foot. Then you lower the needle so that it lines up over that line. Lower the presser foot. Look inside of the zigzag opening. Turn the nut until a little wire inside the zigzag opening moves over to the line that is a 1/4 inch away from the needle. And now you have a 1/4 inch foot. If you have need for a scant 1/4 inch, you can go back to a scant. And you can use this measurement or adjustability from 1/16 inch to just over 1/4 inch. And we want to make sure that the two edges are lined up with each other. Place the guide down on the outside edge of the fabric, and then your focus is going to be right here at the front of the foot, and just start bringing those two fabrics together right there. Instead of pinning or gluing or anything, you're just looking here instead of at the needle, so you're ahead of where the needle is, and this is how you're able to easily ease these two different shapes together. You just bring those fabrics together and keep your eye focused on the front of the foot. Ignore the needle. Don't think about the shape of the fabric at all. This foot allows you to space out and not have to think about the shape. You just keep bringing it around. There you go, a curved piece without losing your peace of mind. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial on how to sew a curved piece using the Satinedge presser foot that I invented when I was 19. I hope you enjoyed learning another of the over 27 different techniques that the Satinedge foot does.